But to kind of walk through that holistic process when it comes to direct ViewLED and kind of how we support you on that, we have the design consultation, which we've mentioned a few times. And that's really the critical first step, is reaching out to your ViewSonic representative, whether it's on Ryan's team on the AV integrator or distribution side, or whether it's part of our enterprise team and reaching out to your RVM on that side. That's the first step, is we schedule what's called the design consultation. That's something we offer at no charge, and Maz, or another member of our field solutions team, will get on the phone, get on Teams, and walk through your space. Hey, what are you looking to do? What's the application? What are you looking to accomplish? What's the structure of the wall? Is there anything we need to keep in mind there? What kind of power do you have going to it? So what are we going to need? How high up is it? Do we need to plan for other things like lifts or whatnot? What's the timing of it? What's the content? Those are a lot of times we get a call that says, I have this wall and I want to fill it. Well, who doesn't? But who's going to make the content, right? Most content's going to be 16:9, either 1080p or 4K. So having those conversations, so a lot goes into it. And then the output of that, though, is that you have a design that's ready for quote. So whether it's using one of our pre-configured solutions, which are going to be all 16:9 in either 1080p or 4K, that's kind of our bread and butter. That's going to fit the vast majority of applications, or whether it's doing something configurable, where we can do unique aspect ratios and resolutions and sizes, you're going to walk away having that completed design ready for quote. So assuming you go through with that, the next phase where they get back involved is a pre-installation checklist call. So everything you went over in the design consultation, now it's verifying that that's done before going on site. So let's say you did need to do some 20 amp or 30 amp drops. Were those done? Where were they done? Were we able to put a recessed wall box in there? dvLED installations, when everything is prepped, doesn't take that long, actually, especially with our products. The cabinets are going to be pre-integrated vertically. And so like for our 136, there's 5 vertical cabinets. And once you put up the mounting rails, you hook them on. It's actually pretty simple. However, walls are never flat, ever. There's no wall in the history of ever that's ever been flat. And there's other considerations. The power might not be where it needs to be, things like that. So that's what that pre-installation checklist call is meant to do, is kind of measure twice, cut once, to help the install go as smooth as possible.